trillions of stars swirling, our very own Milky Way, and its huge neighbor Andromeda. Our Milky Way is our home, a vast, spinning city of stars. And there is Andromeda, M31. These two galaxies are not still. They are moving through endless space. The idea of them crashing is huge, both scary and amazing to think about. They saw something called blue shift. Galaxies are mostly empty space, you see, so stars themselves would rarely crash. But the force of gravity is powerful. But our solar system could be tossed, so it was a future wonder. This is happening with Milky Way and Andromeda. Amazing new telescopes are helping us, like the European Space Agency's Gaia. This sideways movement is very important. Andromeda might just give us a wave. What does a near miss for galaxies mean? It could be a glancing blow instead. The outer parts might brush each other. Their gravity would still pull and tug. So Andromeda might not crash directly. Why is this change such a big deal? Our cosmic home could remain familiar. For Earth and huge bright sight.